Number two, a pregnant God. It's because God was fruitful, he was pregnant. Now like that, the irony, he did not create a woman before the man, but the man, beggar, he, God, pregnant God. He then created Adam in his image, but he created a pregnant Adam. How was Adam pregnant? Let me ask you a question. Ubani ubuya kubani? U-Eve uphuma ku-Adam or u-Adam ubuya ku-Eve? Senitholile answer yenu. No further explanation. Which means u-Adam was pregnant. Wena na uthi mina ngithwale 9 months. U-Adam ukuthwale 1,000 of years before Eve was manifested. And the life come from where?
Death.
So uNkulunkulu wathatha uAdam wambulala wambeka ku-operational table. uNkulunkulu wathatha uAdam wamlalisa on the operational table. Wayenzani? Nakuqeda uNkulunkulu wamvula la ka-lefta. Mara before wafa ngoba u-Eve akabuyi ku-Adam ophilayo, ubuya ku-Adam ofile. Hayi man. Do you hear what I say? Ngiyangithola bazalwane. Abomama bayithandile baqoqathale baphandle. Amen. Before the female carried the man carried the female. Adam nakalela, because life comes from death. Adam was a dead man laying there unconscious. And how do you die? It went from your mortal body, because we are made out of 16 elements. Unless they discovered your potash, your calcium, your zinc, your iron, etc., they come from you. That's why Dr. Nagatin Hitoso ushotangama iron, listen to him. We are coming from the dust of the earth. That's why Umuntu is out of 16 elements. Unless they found other elements that actually make the human race or human being. God had to operate to Adam, and out of the rib uNkulunkulu creator any. Let me shock you. Adam was called the first Adam, which was called the last Adam. Are you aware that at first Adam, where they operated him here, it is the same space where the last Adam, Jesus Christ, was spirit. Mistake. And umfazi nakazala, I'm sorry for the expression, but I'm so issue with respect. Umfazi nakazala, when a woman gives birth, as 'n vrou geboorte gee, daar's 3 fasse wat moet plaasvind. Daar's 3 dinge wat moet plaasvind. There are 3 things that must take place when a woman gives birth. Number 1, it's the breaking of the water, a month. Number 2, it's the following of the blood. Number 3, udoktor uthatha lo mntwana ambamba ambhekise phasi amshaya la kumabhatho na amshaya lo mntwana khipha igwebu athi lo mntwana I am here, I have arrived, I am well, I am